So this is what we are to expect for the day on gold. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can share your own insights, market updates, market strategies, and also market idea. To be part of this Invest Social community, visit investsocial.com. Note guys that this session is not only for traders, it is also for analysts and developers. It is also a community that has a section for forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, and indices. So see you in the platform, in the community. If you want to visit there, visit investsocial.com. Now, starting with our trend, of course, we all know that that it is not every time markets will move the way you want it to move, right? So we were anticipating for the buy from this level on gold, but we can see that unfortunately gold eventually dropped. So it has now dropped back to completely tap our support zone right here, which I am saying this to be the support zone. So now that market has come back to this our support zone, we are to expect the rejection that will make a bounce up. So guys, what we can say is that a bullish move is what we are to anticipate for a buy for the day on gold. So gold should give us a buy. So a buy is what we are to expect for the day on gold. So let's see it give us that buy. Now let's drop that to our 1 hour time frame. But first thing first, guys, remember you do not just hop in on the buy. You would want to see your buy setup first thing first, then you can now go in for the buy. So we want market has done right. The market has dropped to tap this our support zone. We should be anticipating for a buy setup around there. So we should be looking for a buy right here. So once we get the buy, then we can now go in for the movement that will eventually make gold to push up. So I believe in the long run, gold should smash a level of 4373. That is what I'll be anticipating for. A level we should expect gold to actually push up and smash above a level of 4373. Probably the more you should be able to do so by next week. So see you in the next video. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com to be part of the community and connect with traders of like-minded people also.